So I don't know if this is a big jump or not, but I just arrived in Khao Sok National Park. It's right on the outside of it, but I'm pretty much there. I'm at the secret hostel, and so tonight I will be sleeping right on the AC, which is kind of funny because last night I think I'm sick from sleeping in an AC room, and so yeah, I'm going to sleep right next to the AC tonight. Here it is. Tomorrow I will be going on a tour. It'll be all day and I will be staying on a lake in a bungalow overnight, and then I will come back, which will be super cool because that's kind of like the whole Khao Sok National Park experience. One more thing, I'm probably just going to take it easy today. Just go get some tea, walk around, maybe read a book or create more content like Instagram reels. So today's just a chill day. Alright, so we finally made it to the entrance of the national park and we are going down to the boat. And there's so many fish in this river right here. It's crazy. We finally arrived. Look at this. I don't know if I'm gonna have it alone or not because nobody is with me right now if it's 2 people, and I will show you the outside. All these cabins on the river kind of reminds me of the show Avatar, where they're in the one village and it's just on water. So we're literally trekking through the jungle and everybody has trainers on or like water shoes, and then there's me and my slides. I was stuck behind like the slowest people ever. The whole group is still like far up ahead, but we made it. The Nam Tulu Cave. That is a massive spider. Oh my gosh. I am swimming in a cave right now. That was amazing. It was so high up too. It was like skyscrapers high. It's so cool. So we just got off the boat and today we are going to a cave that is not in the middle of the forest that we have to trek like an hour and a half to. It's just right there. That cave was really beautiful, and I just realized that I lost one of my GoPro batteries, so I'm down to 1, and I lost one of my camera batteries. I don't know where they went. I don't know how I lost them, but it's okay. I still got 1 GoPro battery. As long as I don't lose that one, I can get a lot of good photos. I got a really cool photo in the cave though too. I was like directing everyone. I was like, can you shine that light behind me? Can you hold this camera? It's beautiful.
subscribe.